Struggling to focus in noisy environments? Does the constant buzz of daily life ruin your vibe? Or maybe you find it impossible to enjoy music during a hectic commute. Introducing the Sony WH1000XM4, your gateway to peace, focus, and superior sound quality. These aren't just headphones, they're a life upgrade. Let's talk about noise-canceling technology. Sony's dual noise sensor technology doesn't just reduce noise, it practically erases it. Whether it's the roar of a plane or the hum of a coffee shop, all that fades away, leaving just you and your sound. Perfect for frequent travelers, students, and anyone who craves quiet moments in a loud world. Battery life, incredible. You'll get up to 30 hours of uninterrupted listening. And here's the kicker. A quick 10-minute charge gives you a whopping 5 hours of playback. Managing multiple devices? Sony's seamless device pairing lets you switch between your phone, tablet, or laptop with zero interruptions. Stay connected no matter what. Controls at your fingertips. With intuitive touch controls, you can manage your music, calls, and even adjust the volume with simple gestures. Work from home or take calls on the go. The WH1000XM4's 5 built-in microphones deliver outstanding call clarity. Whether it's a business meeting or catching up with friends, and let's not forget comfort. The lightweight, pressure-relieving design means you can wear these for hours without feeling any discomfort. Perfect for binge listening to your favorite playlists or podcasts. Now here's the cherry on top, adaptive sound control. This feature learns and adjusts to your surroundings, tailoring your audio experience so it's always perfect, no matter where you are. Why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? The Sony WH1000XM4 is more than just a pair of headphones. It's a revolution in sound and convenience. Ready to elevate your audio game? Click the link below to discover the Sony WH1000XM4 and experience sound like never before.